So today we got this construction vehicles. These are transform robots, and you can press one button and transform into 4.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're opening the toy, and we have the toy right over here. So I'm gonna let him open the truck. So in there we have a couple of toys. Let's take it out of the package.
Here's one.
What? So we're gonna, it comes with this elastic stuff, and you can see the child can easily take it off. And we're gonna transform, let's transform the first one. So there's a button that you click on. So click on the button. Okay. So when it clicks on the button, you see it transform immediately into a robot. Wow, you like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Okay. So we've transformed that one. Can you transform the next one? So let's take the elastic off of it and let's transform it.
Ow.
Awesome. So press the button. What? So just pressing one button. Ooh. So now you have 2 robots.
And there's 4 of them.
And there's 4 of them. Where are they? They're right in there. Can you get them out? So what kind of truck is this?
A tanker truck?
So a tanker truck. So let's transform it. Transform. You press the button. Yes. Immediately. So now we have so many cool ones. So let's transform them, and how will you use them?
Yeah.
Let's see if we can put them together. So transform it back.
Yeah, like.
Remember the button on top? Okay.
Oh.
So press the button on top.
I don't want to go fast.
Yeah. So press it, and then it transforms all the way back into a truck. You got it? Press it right there. Over there. And then it closes like that. Back into a truck. So I'm going to see if he can transform it himself. That is so cool. So good job transforming everything back.